Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a minimalist, unique birthday invitation free of cost on Canva. So let's get started. This template will be completely unique and from scratch. So let's go ahead with it. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to look for color splash and the element section. In the search elements I'm going to type that, and then when you'll see the result you will see that a lot of things are pro version, but we are not going to go for them. We're going to go for the things that are free, and we'll create a good design out of it. It is a very minimalist design. It's not for kids. If you want me to create a kids birthday invitation, then definitely I'm gonna do that in coming up videos. But if you want sooner, then you can drop in the comment section. So here I've taken a colorful color splash, and I'm gonna organize it to the bottom of the page, and then I'm gonna go for another color splash and then arrange in the upper parts of the format. So let's go for that. I'm just trying to find here other colors. So I took this one, but I don't like it, so I'm gonna take another color. So let's go with that. I'm just gonna sort it out. I'm just trying to find a good way to place it, and as you can see that we are not like we are taking the full image, but we are just using a portion of it. So that's what you have to do, because I'm just trying to create borders out of it. So here we go again with another one of it, and then adjusting this one, and we're gonna take one last. So we are done here. We have created borders around it, and let's take one more to have the color going in. And then it's very minimalist, very simple. You'll be able to create it in minutes, so stay with me. So in this element section I'm gonna go with the other elements that we need for this design, which will be the birthday element. So I'm gonna type in birthday, and I really like minimalist, the golden thing on the top. So I took this color one initially, but then I'm gonna remove this one because I want to keep the theme intact. So I'm gonna be using all the golden birthday props there, like the graphics for them. So that is here. So taking some birthday gifts, balloons and all of it. So I will be removing this as well, because our base, our background is already colorful, and this is a minimalist template that I'm going to this grown-up adult person can use for their birthday. You can use this if you want to use this, but yeah, I just wanted the theme to be just golden elements over there. So I'll remove this one, adjusting all my elements here. So I'm taking a couple of elements here, trying to find which one looks the best. I'm just checking which design will look best. I'm going to just fast forward this section here. I'm also going to take some time over here to see which text looks the best. So I wanted to make it golden, but I see it's too much golden over there, and it's not making its way over here in the it's hard to see it. Even if you make it bigger, it's not it is good if you want to go with. I think I do like the golden here, but then I want it to pop, and it's not popping that much. So I'm gonna be changing that to something more darker so that it pops on the background. So let's see which color is going to look best here. And I will also like to make it I'm just trying to find fonts. Most of them are pro, but then this one doesn't look nice. I'm gonna just, okay, so it's all capital and that's why like I'm not able to change it. No worries, I'll just look for a calligraphy one. I'm typing it myself here. Sorry for the bad voiceover, I would say, but yeah, here I think it's best to write calligraphy in there, and then look for the Malibu font style, which I really like it, so I'm gonna go for the Malibu one. Yep, this one here, and then let's check which color looks the best. So let's try to make it pink more. No, it doesn't go with it, so let's try to choose a different color and make it bigger here. Okay, I think I would like this more, like a mix of purple and pink. Yeah, and it does like pop. So we are gonna go with this one. You can choose obviously the color that you like. And once we're done here, we're gonna add all the details for the date, place, time, and contact details. So, but I'll make it like the color I'll change to something like grayish so that it doesn't pop that much. Adding all the details in here. Let me fast forward it. So we are done writing here all the information that we need on this invitation, and then we're gonna go ahead and change the color and placement here. So I want to make the color much lighter, so just gonna go to the color palette over there. Okay, not again. So color palette, and then I'll go to document colors and just go for the lighter version of this. Yep, that looks good. And then change, not change, add to my birthday, and adjust it in the middle. And save it, and that looks pretty. So we're done. Thank you.